Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are safe and healthy at your homes. Students, I am your maths teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Today we are going to start new chapter, that is chapter number 12, and the name of chapter is data handling. Yes students, it is very easy chapter. In this chapter we will study regarding pictograph and telemarks. Today in this video I will tell you what is pictograph and how we are going to draw the pictograph. As it is clear from the name, pictograph, the graph that is made with the help of the pictures. Yes, you can also see here a pictograph uses pictures or symbols to represent the information. Whatever the information is given to us, we are going to represent that information through the pictograph using the pictures and symbols. Yes students, see here now some of the examples we will study, and so that you can come to know about what is pictograph and how it is drawn. Yes, here you can see the table below shows the favorite subject of 20 students in a class. Yes, maths, first student favorite subject is maths, then second student is science, then maths, then English, then again English, then maths, then science. Like this 20 students favorite subjects are in front of us. Yes, now we will find out that how many students likes math, how many students favorite subject is maths. Here we will write maths. Yes, we will write subject and number of students. Yes, how many students of maths are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. There are 10 students who like maths. In the same way, there are 4 students whose favorite subject is science, and there are 6 students whose favorite subject is English. And total of these students, how many total students are there? These are the 20 students. Yes, now with this information we will draw the pictograph. See how we will draw pictograph. Here firstly we will write subject, then number of students. Yes, now we will take one symbol, we will draw one small picture that will represent the information. Yes, now here you can see there are the 10 students of the maths. That we have taken one symbol, this symbol, small triangle we have taken, and this small triangle means 2 students. एक स्मॉल ट्राइंगल का मतलब है 2 स्टूडेंट्स. Yes, now maths के 10 students थे, so here we will draw 5 triangles because one triangle means 2 students, then 2 triangles 4 students, 3 triangles 6 students, 4th triangle 8, then 5 triangle means 10 students. Yes, then science students, how many science students were there? 4. So here we have drawn 2 triangles because one triangle means 2, then 2 triangles it means 4 students. Yes, then English 6 students were there, so here we will draw 3 triangles. And at the last of this information we will write each triangle stands for 2 students. This is very much important. This is compulsory to write with the every pictograph. Yes, now like this we have drawn this pictograph. Now see one more example. Yes, look at the pictograph. Now one pictograph is given to us which shows the favorite fruit of a group children, and answer the questions below. Now pictograph is given to us, we will understand this and answer the questions those are asked from us. Yes, now here pineapple dots are drawn. Yes, and the last of the pictograph you can see each blue dot stands for 3 children. Yes, one blue dot का मतलब है 3 children. So here you can see orange. Orange is only having one blue dot. It means orange is the favorite fruit of 3 children. 1 means 3. Yes, then lychee 3 3 3. तीनों को अगर हम प्लस कर दें 3 + 3 + 3 it will be 9. Yes, then grapes 3 + 3 6 + 3 9 + 3 12 + 3 15 + 3 18 + 3 21. Here will be 21. Then mango 3 + 3 + 3 + 3 12. Yes, Then pineapple, 3 plus 3, 6. So from this information we got the number of children. Yes, pineapple is favorite of 6 children, mango is favorite of 12 children, grapes are favorite of 21 children, lychee is favorite of 9 children, orange is favorite of 3 children. Yes, now there are some questions. How many children like mango? So how many children like mango here? 12. So here we will write 12 children like mango. Then how many children like pineapple? We have found here how many children like pineapple, that is 6. Then how many children like lychee? Here you can see these are 9. Yes. Then which fruit is the least popular? Least मतलब सबसे कम popular कौन सा fruit है? That is orange. So here we will write orange because number of children are less. Yes. Which fruit is the most popular? सबसे ज़्यादा कौन सा पसंद किया जाता है? That is grapes because there are 21 children's favorite fruit is grapes. So here we will write grapes. Yes. Now students, this is pictograph and we have answered from this information. Yes. Now what we will do? We will draw. We will try to do the sums of exercise 12.1. Yes, see how we will do these sums. Understand these sums properly. These are very easy sums. Yes. Now the table below shows the favorite drinks of a group of children. Here you can see favorite drink: milk, juice, shake and lemonade. Yes. Number of children: milk is favorite of 9 children, juice is favorite of 12 children, shake is favorite of 24 children and lemonade is favorite of 8 children. Yes, using the key, one circle is equal to 2 children. This is the key given to us, that one circle means 2 children and half circle means 1 child. Draw a pictograph. Now like this we will draw the lines. You have to do this sum in the book only. Yes. Now favorite drink. First drink is milk. So here we will write milk. Yes. And it is favorite drink of 9 children. So what we will do here? One circle means 2. 2, 4, 6, 8. Now for 1 we need, so we will draw half circle. Now it has become 9. Yes. Next is juice. Juice is liked by 12. So here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Yes. Then shake 24. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Then lemonade 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Yes, like this we have drawn this pictograph. Now let's move to sum number 2. The table below shows the favorite pets of a group of students. Yes, and use the above table to make a pictograph. Cat is the favorite pet of the 15 students. Dog is favorite pet of 20. Rabbit is 10 and parrot 5. And you can see here 15, 20, 10 and 5. Yes, observe these numbers carefully. From here we will get the key. All these are coming in the table of 5. All these numbers are coming in the table of 5. So here we will take 5 as the key. Yes, each you can take here any symbol. We will take triangle. Each triangle stands for 5 students. Yes, now here see how we will draw the pictograph. First favorite pet is cat, so here we will write cat. Cat is favorite of 15 students, and we have taken this as the symbol, and this symbol means 5 students. So here 5, 10, 15. Yes, then dog. Dog is favorite pet of 20 students. So here 5, 10, 15, 20. Next is rabbit. Rabbit is favorite pet of 10 students. So here we will draw 2 triangles only. Yes, then parrot. Parrot is favorite student of 5 students. So here we need to only draw 1 triangle, because 1 triangle means 5 students. Yes, students, now see the time. The table below shows the number of apples sold by a fruit seller in 3 days. Make a pictograph for the given table. Yes, now day 1 he sold number of apples, that is 40, day 2 that is 60, and day 3 that is 70. Yes, students, now see how we will draw the pictograph of this. See here how to draw. Firstly we will write in one box day, then number of apples sold. Day 1, how many numbers of apples are sold, that we will write here. Then day 2, then day 3. Then we have to select one key. That key we will select by observing the numbers. Here you can see 40, 60 and 70. All the numbers are with zeros. So you will take here key as the 10. We will take this here as key as 10. So what we will do here, each we will draw one small apple here. Each this picture stands for 10 apples. Yes, मतलब एक पिक्चर का मतलब कितने हैं, 10 apples. So here day 1 how many apples are sold, you can see 40, day 2 60 and day 3 70. Day 1 40 apples are sold. So here we will draw 4 pictures. Here 10, 20, 40, 30, and 4 pictures means 40. Yes, here 4 pictures means 40 apples are sold in day 1. Yes, then day 2 how many apples are sold, 60. Yes, so here we will draw 6 pictures. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. One picture means 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Yes, then next is day 3, 70. So here we will draw 7 pictures. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Yes, like this we have drawn this pictograph, and at the last of this is very important to write. Yes, observe it carefully how we have drawn the pictograph. In the same way you will draw the pictograph in your maths notebook. Yes, friends, now let's move to sum number 4. What is there? The table shows number of girls present for the school house meeting of the primary wing. Make a pictograph for the given table. Here you can see house name red house, number of girls are 12, then blue house girls are 20, then yellow house girls are 16, and green house girls are 8. Yes, now you can use this smiley as a symbol to represent number of girls. Yes, so how we will draw this pictograph? See it carefully. Firstly we will write house name, then number of girls, and here already one smiley is given to us in the sum that we have to draw one smiley. And how many smileys we have to draw? You can observe these numbers carefully: 12, 20, 16 and 8. All these are coming in the table of 2 also and 4 also. ये आपकी चॉइस है, आपने वन स्माइली को 2 के इज इक्वल रखना है या आपने इसको 4 के इज इक्वल रखना है. दैट्स योर चॉइस. येस, आई एम हेयर टेकिंग वन स्माइली इज इक्वल टू 4 गर्ल्स. वन स्माइली स्टैंड्स फॉर 4 girls. Yes, for red house there are 12 girls, so here we will draw, it means 4, 8 and 12. Yes, 4 plus 4 plus 4, these are 12, and red house there are 12 girls. Then blue house there are 20 girls, so here we will draw 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Yes, the next yellow house there is 16, so here 4, 8, 12 and 16. Yes, next is greenhouse 8, 4 and 4 more, these are 8. Yes, like this we have drawn the pictograph. Observe this carefully and draw in the same way in your maths notebook. Yes, now there is question number 5. The following pictograph below shows the number of summer camps in different parts of Delhi in a particular year. East Delhi, like this the pictures are drawn, and one picture stands for 4 camps. Yes, New Delhi 4 plus 4 plus 4, then here will be 12. Then West Delhi 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, here will be 16. And here South Delhi 4 plus 4, 8. Then North Delhi 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 and plus 4. 5 times 4 is there, then it will be 20. 4 plus 4 8 plus 4 12, 16, and here is 20. Yes, now read the above pictograph, then answer the following questions. Yes, here you have to answer the questions. How many summer camps are there in each area? Yes, first is East Delhi. How many summer camps in East Delhi? 12. So here we will write 12. Then West Delhi, how many are there? 16. Then South Delhi there are 8, and North Delhi there are 20. Yes, now what is the second question? What is the total number of camps in Delhi during that year? What is the total? Total means we will do here addition. 12 plus 16 plus 8 plus 20. We will add all these and we will tell what is the total number of camps in Delhi during that year. Yes, now see, 12 plus 16, 28, 28 plus 8, 36, 36 plus 20, here will be 56. Total camps in Delhi are 56. Yes friends, hope you have understood all these sums. Do these sums. जो बुक पे करने वाले हैं वो सम्स आपने बुक पे करने हैं, एंड दोज आई हैव टोल्ड यू दैट डू इन नोटबुक, दोज यू विल डू इन नोटबुक. हैव अ ब्यूटीफुल डे हैड. थैंक यू सो मच.